Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Before we get started, if you like the content, like and subscribe to the channel, help the page out, help it grow. I do live stream live Forex trading on Twitch. The link will be down below. That is Monday to Friday, 1 hour before New York opens. So go ahead and click that Twitch link and press the follow button and you will be notified when I go live. And there's some few other links down there as well, but YouTube and Twitch are the main ones. So let's get into the charts real quick. So this is GJ. What I am looking at today is for this trend, this newly established trend that we see to potentially continue bullish. Although if we do look out onto, if we zoom out a little bit more, we can see that price is in this overall. We did have this sell off last week. But this is yesterday's daily highs and we have rejected off that as well today. Currently, pulled back, rejected off. It didn't break daily highs, previous daily highs, and now potentially pushing lower here. So in terms of sells, there's not too many levels that we can go off where we can look for sells. Potentially, it did have this support over here that it has broken now and it's pushing down. But yeah, I feel like you can see from this point we had the downtrend, and then from this point we had a bullish daily candle, and then yesterday's candle made a bottom wick, respected previous daily lows, broke up, had another bullish candle. So now I'm thinking, we're creating a pullback to then eventually continue bullish going into London Open. So I will see what happens with that. But yeah, I am looking at buys with closures above 169097, and I will look for buys above that level to potentially continue overall up into this level at around about 170673. And in terms of sells, I'm not too sure at the moment. That will get updated. The analysis will get updated tonight during my Twitch stream if you wanted to go follow that, so you can come check that out. But I feel like at the moment, currently, I am just looking at buys here on GJ above this level to continue bullish here above 169097. So that is that. I will see what happens. There is around about 45 minutes until London session opens. So I'll see from from this point until then, what is happening here with GJ. If we start selling off, then there will be potential sells somewhere, but I'll have to do some more analysis on that in real time as it happens. But currently, looking at what I'm looking at right now, I am looking at buys above 169097. Looking at Euro USD, we have cracked this key resistance right here. So if we just scroll over to the left hand side and pull it all over here, we can see that this is a key level, key resistance. We have cracked above that now. We broke and retested that last night during London session, New York session. So now I am just looking for the continuation basically, and that would be up until these levels up here at 1.00938, around about that level. So I will be looking at these buys above this level here, above this resistance, 1.00345, and that is yesterday's highs that we again have tapped off today, rejected. We've come down and made that bottom wick for the daily, and now I'm looking for price to come above this level again and give us a trade to continue up, which this is a nice range up until that next level. If we have a look, if we measure that, it's around about 60 or so pips. So I feel like that is a nice range for us to trade in, and I think that Euro USD is going to continue bullish here potentially, and if it doesn't, it's going to come down into this level for another deeper retest, I feel, and then we can see something like this start to happen, to start trending higher again eventually. So it's either going to break above this level coming into London Open within the next 45 minutes, like I said, with the volume coming in. So it'll either just break above there during the next hour or so, next hour or two, or like I said, we will get a deeper retest of this zone to then potentially push bullish. So yeah, watching out for that. Buys above 1.00345. Sorry, I've got some hay fever or something. My eyes are just itchy. And gold, I'm going to start taking a look at gold here. So again, gold has done the same thing. We've cracked a resistance here. We did a retest, try to push up, retested yesterday's highs over here again, or these highs yesterday we retested from over here from Friday. Rejected them, and now we've come down again from the deeper retest of this. So I feel like, you know, once if pricing come up and crack above, close above these levels here, which is yesterday's highs, while respecting yesterday's lows, we can get those buys on gold above 1681945, just to take some nice buys above that level. And we'll see what happens there. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. USD CHF, I did have a trade on this yesterday. My entry was over here somewhere. My stops were above there, around about 20 pips, I think. So you can see the price, where was it there? It might have been further up. I think it was over here somewhere, actually. We must, yeah, stops above there. 25 pips. So I am going for a 1 to 5 on this. It has come back now for a retest again of this level, which is this support zone over here. Broke it, retested it, and now potentially we're going to start selling off again. So I am currently, if I just show you, so you can see that I'm actually in the shade, currently 26 pips, 27 pips in profit. You can see this is my entry over here. I've got my stop loss around about 5 pips above break even, so it just doesn't come up and tap me out break even and then continue bearish. You can see around about $92 in profit minus the swap, $88. So I will see where that goes and what happens with that during the rest of today's sessions. And obviously I'm gonna, you know, expect that to continue bearish, and then again, what I'll be looking for is closures below this support right here to continue down for that 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. Here on USD CHF. So that is that. Would love GJ buys here. Mainly focus on GJ buys above this level to continue bullish up until that next level. There is around about 180 pips in this range to that next level, so that gives us some room, as well as Euro USD and gold. I'll be watching again above this level for buys, 1681945. And that is that. I will be, like I said, I will be live tonight on Twitch. 10 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime, 1 hour before New York session opens. I will be live trading, chilling, people coming through, chatting, sharing analysis, sharing their charts, all that good stuff. So definitely go and hit that follow button so you will get notified when I go live from Twitch, and you can come out, chill, chat, send some analysis, look at people's analysis, look at my analysis, watch my USD CHF trade, see if it's going to hit take profit or break even. Ask any questions you like. Doesn't have to be Forex related. And yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tonight during the stream, or I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching.